Today, I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna put the eggs in and I'm gonna put them in here. And I'm gonna spray it and my dad's gonna do the pan. I am going to after that, we have an eggy bread. I've tied my hair back because it's hygienic, because I do want to get hair in the food, because the other people will eat my hair and I don't like it when my curly hair gets in, because it's really not nice if we have curly hair. I have got oil, a jug, some eggs, a spare plate, frying pan and bread. That's what we'll need to cook. Waffle!
No, not for you, Waffle.
You're being silly, Waffle. So first we're going to crack an egg. Then we're going to mix. And then we're going to pour it onto there. And then we're going to get a bit of bread, make it all yummy, fry it. And it'll be done. And it'll be egg bread. This is how I crack an egg. Yuck, I got my plastic yucky. This is the yucky bit. Oh no. Yucky yuck. Now we're gonna mix. So we're gonna pour this on there. Then we're gonna put the bread and get it all dippy. I'll spray that, then I'll do the bread as well and my dad will fry it. So here goes. It's gonna be yummy, guys. Looks like sick. Daddy, it's time to fry! You don't need to cook it until it's golden brown each side. Guys, this is how it's gone, and I like mine with ketchup on it. And look at this, guys. Daddy's one is brown, mine is nice and fresh, and I'm gonna make a lava.
Go on then.
I'm gonna eat this and see if it's okay. Perfect. Look at that. Enjoy your egg bread and for Lily, and I've got yummy. I gave Daddy a bit of my special one because his is all burned, but save it for last, Dad. Don't forget to subscribe. For Lily.